What's up, guys, and welcome to my channel 803 Speed. I'm Nick Timms, and we are here inside this Project Mustang I just bought a couple weeks ago for 500 bucks. I intend to really turn this car into just a project street strip, just all out muscle car, but I want to keep it under a budget of about $17,000. When I bought this car, this thing is trashed. It has a horrible plastic paint job that the previous owners or the owners before them put on. The interior is disgusting. It needs a lot of work, needs a lot of parts and pieces that, I have to go acquire from a parts yard or a junkyard, online, wherever. Maybe you guys have some parts. You can leave a comment down below if you've got some parts that I might need. But yeah, we're gonna go through this whole entire interior of this car, take it all out, and I'm gonna re-dye it to a pristine black. It's tan right now. I just don't like tan colors, and it's not gonna go with the color scheme of the car that I wanna go with when it's done. So, stay tuned. We're gonna go through and I'm gonna show you piece by piece really how to take this thing apart, do a quick little time lapse. Yeah, and next time you see it, it should be an empty car. So I've already kind of started taking out some of the interior pieces, but as you can see, some of this stuff is already just busted and broken. Just things we're gonna go pick up from the junkyard if we can find it. Other little pieces here. I did go ahead and take out the center console, just so I could get a little more room in the car to work. I am getting ready to take out the seats. Got a couple of sun visors that were left in here, and the old lid to the center console that was just destroyed. So another part and piece we're gonna have to go pick up. Door panels are in decent shape, but probably gonna need to be replaced. I think the vinyl is starting to come off of the backing paper there. But again, just like I said, we're gonna take all the seats out, we're gonna take the back seat out, all the trim, and get ready to dye this thing to a beautiful color of black. All right, let's go. Well, one thing about it, it may have cost me 500 bucks for the car, but I got a couple dollars back in change. All right, guys, so we got the two front seats out. We've got a lot of the trim and everything around the front out. Now we're gonna focus on the back of the car. The back seat is held in by two clips down at the bottom. Take a flathead screwdriver, you just push those in and the back seat will pop up. And then there'll be a couple bolts around the back seats. Once you pull these down, a couple 8mm bolts. We're gonna take those out now and get that back seat out. Well, we got a nice surprise back here. That's always lovely when you find these in the back seat. Yeah. That's pretty much gonna do it for today. Got most of the trim pieces out that I wanted to get out. We're gonna take a look at them. I know there's a few broken parts and pieces that we're gonna have to replace, especially this package tray that goes right above the rear seats. That has some broken clips, so we'll try to find another one of those. We'll probably end up trying to find some door panels off another car. These are just too far gone. The vinyl and stuff is starting to come up around the armrest and everything, and that's just not something I want to try to fix. Outside of that, we will probably try to recover this headliner in another episode. Some of these guys are charging 300 bucks for a brand new headliner. I think ultimately there's probably 20 bucks maybe in parts that I can do that with myself. You know, it's gonna be a nasty mess, but we'll spray down some glue and some new upholstery and we'll try to do it ourselves. But then this is what this thing is all about, is really just a budget build, how we can save some money here and there and still make it look good. without going over budget. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you hit subscribe, leave me a comment. You can also follow us on social media, Facebook and Instagram at 803 Speed. By all means, again, if you like what you see, leave a comment. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And guys, I am out, and I'll catch you guys next week.